Hey, this is Justin with Define Audio Video again. We're doing another teardown. This was actually another lightning strike for a REL T7. Again, nothing's impossible. It's really not that hard, but it just depends on how many tools you have at home and if you're mechanically inclined or not to do such things. All you really need is a set of Allen wrenches. They're on the metric side. I'm using a screw gun with an Allen wrench attachment. If you're going to use a screw gun or a drill, just make sure you just set the clutch. None of this is going to be on high torque or anything like that. You just want to make sure you're not going to strip anything. So all we're doing is removing the perimeter screws here. Ignore the ones in the middle. You do not need to remove those. You just need to remove the perimeter, and then we'll be good to go. All right. This one does have gasket material on the inside of it, but you'll notice it start to loosen up as you start pulling more screws out. So no reason for prying, using screwdrivers, pliers, things like that. So you should be good to go with just removing the perimeter, and then you can use this little the heat sink on the back of the amplifier to remove it. In fact, you can already see the amplifier starting to loosen up. Or completely loosen up. All right. And then voila, that's it. So we just got a few quick connects to undo this particular model, and all the T-Series models, they do have a passive radiator and a powered driver. If you are concerned about the driver being damaged, it's a very simple thing to do. You just need a volt ohm meter. You're going to put it on the positive and negative terminals on the inside here. And then you want to have, sometimes it takes two people. If you can do it on your own, you've got one of those guys that can multitask and all that. All it takes is for somebody to push in on the driver while you have an ohm load pulled, resistance load pulled on the driver, and it should read at 4 ohms. So if it goes anything above 4 ohms, the driver will need to be replaced. If it's right at 4 ohms, you should be good to go. So the rest, you've got a couple quick disconnects here on the board. Really simple to pull off. I say that, there we go. And you've got the positive and negative. I'm gonna see which side it wants to, nope, it's actually on the speaker side that it wants to come off. So just gonna reach in here on the power driver and remove. There is a small tie wrap that looks like it needs to, oh no, it's a twist tie. Cool. Makes it a little bit easier. All right, amp's completely pulled off. Ship it off to REL. They have a lot of good people at REL that they have a lot of spare parts where they can help you out with such animal. Now we're gonna get a good shot of the inside of this. That way you can see that positive and negative terminal. That's where you want to put your positive and negative lead with your volt ohm meter. And then again, while you're holding those leads on, gently press on the front of it, and you want to make the driver compress and move, and you should see a 4 ohm reading. If you see anything below 4 ohms, anything above 4 ohms that is not within specification, you want to contact your local REL dealer to go ahead and upgrade the driver or get a replacement driver for it. Or if you do not have a REL dealer that you're dealing with, you're doing this yourself, just contact REL on their tech support number, and then they'll be happy to help you over the phone. So Click like or to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I know it's not super action-packed. I promise we're going to do a lot more fun stuff than just tearing stuff down. But sometimes the teardown is important too if you're trying to figure out how to save some bucks and do it yourself. Like or subscribe on defineav.com. We do have a YouTube channel if you just YouTube Define Audio Video. If you like what you see, or if you need help with something else, feel free to comment. Go to the Facebook page, comment there, and we'll be happy to help any way we can. Thanks. Have a great day.